Wala ko lakas. Ay, hindi ko pero ko.
Patingin nga. Patingin nga yung driver's license mo.
Pakita mo yung ano, si Eros, pinalaki mong ganun po.
Laminated ang aking life.
Patingin nga nga.
Bakit ang sinusunuan iwan sa bahay? Ano ba naubos na?
I'm still
Just
on my
pinakit
normal
mo.
condition.
Okay.
I'm still Moira.
Moy maoy.
And
Moira, sige din ko si Moy.
Ooh,
Okay.
the cameras are on.
Yes.
Okay, Jasmine.
She's asking for more? For more?
Please don't laugh.
Teacher ba yan? Parang estudyante.
Moy maoy yan. Moy maoy.
Moy maoy, moy maoy.
Moy maoy.
I know Amber. I know Jess is the matter of Amber, but I wanna see Amber.
Wait!
You're asking me
We're
what?
not still yet done drinking those.
You're asking me why you cannot find my soap. Because you just pushed me outside my toilet, my bathroom, holding my soap. I'm not done washing my face, but you got it. You throw me away in my bathroom.
Did I?
Yes, you did.
I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Let's do this
Okay.
together.
Okay, amen. Amen. I believe you, my brother.
Sino naglagay ng icing sa mukha ko? Ang dami. Sino naglagay? Si Madel?
Hindi. Marky. Kasi Jessa.
Ikaw naglagay. Oh, no. Wait lang. I'm going to ask them. One by one. Marky, did you put a lot of icing on my face? Not just on my face, but on
Yes!
with my t-shirt also.
Yes!
Jessa!
It's no art.
It's
Why are you keep on laughing, Jessa?
Marky! It's Marky!
It's innocent.
Lucas?
Yes, I do. Marky!
Lucas?
It's Marky!
Okay, ninayo. Lucas nag-ubing. Suha sa likado. Telsing ito.
Lucas is not Kumudor.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who am I put ice on my faces? I don't have any extra shirts on my motorcycle. Did you do it, Marky?
Only.
About you?
To you.
Jessa?
Jackson, my God.
Please get ready tomorrow. Jasmine. I'm still at my normal, normal condition.
Hindi.
Please, can... Jasmine, please. Where's Marky, Jessa?
CR.
Please stop doing that video. Put icing on my face. Oh, don't put icing on my face. May hard eyes.
Anna
No, amiga.
is a very celebrant. Yeah.
Iinom pa tayo tangin naman.
Thank you.
Ano ba yan? Uuwi ako ng pangit.
Are you
Don't
happy?
put icing on
Ana
my
Margarita?
face. Again, I said my
Anna Margarita.
Ano Margarita?
Present.
Yes,
Are you happy?
I'm very happy.
Putting this one with...
Yes, I need more.
I need more.
I want more.
No. This is your happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. That's it. Yes.
Ang sakit sa mata.
Lasing na tong mga to.
Ano?
Hey,
Mike!
my birthday.
Uy. Moy maoy.
Hoy, magbitawan mo yan, be.
I heard you saying Moy Mao.
Yes, you are Moy Maoy.
Min ko nakita. Uy, ano? Teacher ba? Zoom. Zoom.
You're going to ask me, I'll give you answer. Very
Ipasok mo yung bukas.
Yan yung normal condition niya. So, if that's your normal condition, what's your abnormal condition?
I don't have any abnormal. Yes.
Okay, Jasmine.
She is asking for more. For more? For more?
Okay.
Then,
Yes.
Marcus, I know.
No,
That's a quiet.
Ay, not the
Wait,
one. It's
after,
Marky.
you know, quiet. I love you more. Yes, I know you love me, but after washing my face, please let's continue drinking this one. What did you do there?
Dax ang puta. Dax. Dax yung bayag.
Umihi ka na.
No.
Umihi ka muna.
No, that's Anna is Maoy. Yeah. You know, Mandel and I are not Maoy.
My coach, Anna
Thank you so
Margarita.
much. I appreciate everything.
Please give
Thank
her.
you.
Give her a.
I already did them.
Some more.
How about me? Not my birthday, but I prefer. But I prefer.
Are you happy?
Also for Madel. Madel, give me a hug also.
Tama na yan. Tara na.
Marky
Yes,
is
where are you
happy
going?
with Gideon and with
Wait, kanina lang lang gusto
No!
niya.
Boy,
Isa mo niyo kaya to, no?
Marky is happy with Bijou